Welcome to the Hypercar Rebuild Facility. This state-of-the-art center is where we bring automotive dreams back to life.
A few more centimeters, slowly.
Okay, stop there. Alignment is confirmed. Engaging the lift now.
The temperature delta here on the turbochargers is still inconsistent with the baseline.
I see that. Let me cross-reference the live pressure readings with the schematic.
Okay, that's loose.
Can you take the weight on the harness?
Got it. Releasing the clip now.
The clearance here is exactly 2 millimeters outside the tolerance.
Let me check the schematic on the tablet. We're seeing a slight anomaly right here near the rear axle.
The simulation data shows it's within the expected margin.
And the main harness clearance. This joint here handles the majority of the torsional load.
According to the telemetry, the stress peaks exactly where you indicated.
The billets are hitting the hot zone. Check the thermal gradient.
Looks good. Holding steady at 1200 Celsius.
Check the flow rate on the west side.
Looks stable. Riser temperature is holding steady.
Look at the microstructure here. I'm seeing discrepancies in the cooling rate data.
The thermal imaging confirms a hot spot near the center. Let's flag this batch.
Power down sequence initiated.
Confirming. Cooling cycle engaged.
The airflow dynamics here are optimized for high-speed stability.
But what about the heat dissipation in this section of the undercarriage?
Look at the stress points here. I think we need to reinforce this strut.
If we adjust the angle slightly, the load distribution improves.
Let's try that. Rotate it 45 degrees.
We need to reduce the RPMs on the next run.
Okay, I'll update the G-code parameters immediately.
Check the feed rate on channel 3, right? Adjusting it now, looks stable.
The welding sequence is holding steady at 98% efficiency.
Excellent.
The adjustments to the servo motor timing paid off.
The thickness is exactly 5.2 millimeters right here.
Okay, that is within tolerance. Let's proceed.
Look at the consistency on this pass. Incredible precision. The settings are optimal.
The thermal readings are spiking right here. Let me cross-reference that with the stress test data.
The data stream from the new vision system is much cleaner.
Agreed. The anomaly detection rate is almost negligible now.
Looks like the tolerances are well within spec on this batch.
Confirmed. The surface finish is perfect.
Make sure it's perfectly flush with the chassis.
Roger that. All bolts secured to spec.
Rear alignment stable at 1.2 degrees.
Confirmed. Final specs uploaded.
Panel alignment confirmed. Looking good.
Diagnostics complete. All systems green.
Hold up. We need to verify the torque settings on the quad turbochargers. There's a slight variance in the data logs.
The diagnostic tool reads stable, but we should...
Did you secure the main hose connection?
Yes, fully torqued. The pressure is stable.
Okay, let's proceed to the final scan.
The carbon weave on these wheels is flawless.
Absolutely. The heat distribution is optimized.
The clear coat is flawless, but the gap on the front left panel is slightly off spec.
Understood.
Sensor array reporting nominal values.
Confirmed. Ready for spool up.
The torque values look good on the telemetry.
Confirming the aero settings are within tolerance.
If you enjoy industrial rebuilds and factory processes, like the video and subscribe to see more rebuild stories.